So you want to make a website. If you're wondering if you should use HTML or website builder like Squarespace or WordPress, I can help you. In this video, I will give you a framework to help you decide which tool is best suited for you. This is a very important decision because it's going to affect your operation in the future. If you end up migrating your website from one tool to another, it's going to take a lot of time and effort later on. So it's important to choose the right tool for you at the beginning. A good way to look at this is by comparing the initial time investment required to get the website up and running versus the level of customization you need. Working with these website builders is easy. You don't need to know anything about HTML, and for the most part, you can build a website using drag and drop. The downside is that you're limited as to how much customization you can add to your website. If you use HTML to build your website from scratch, it will take more time to go live, but you can customize the way you want it. So those are the main trade-offs. With that in mind, the first question I would ask you is, how much time do you have? If you need to go live tomorrow, you probably don't have the time to learn HTML or find a software developer who can make a bespoke website for you. The second question is, how much customization do you need? If you're making a simple website, a website builder should do the job nicely. If you're making something very complex, you might need to custom build it using HTML and CSS. Another important question is, how much budget do you have, if any? If you have to go live tomorrow and don't have any money to spend, you're more or less limited to the free version of one of the website builders. If you do have some budget to spend, however, you have the option to hire someone to make the website for you. There are many freelance web developers who can make a bespoke website using HTML and CSS, and some developers specialize in using WordPress. That decision will be informed by the other questions listed in this video. One final question is, how much work are you going to need for the maintenance of this website? If you can publish something today and forget about it, that's an easy decision. But if you think you'll be making a lot of updates to the website, you need to take that into consideration. For example, if you don't know any HTML yourself and you don't want to pay a freelancer every time you make a minor update, using something like Squarespace or WordPress might be a good option for you. Okay, this is it for this video. I hope this was useful. If you have any question about any of this, send me a message and I will do my best to help you out. If you'd like to watch more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe to this channel down here. Alright, thank you for watching.